is a place I used to know, a cul-de-sac the middle class could once call home. White picket fence, a clean-cut lawn, the neighbors smiled and always left their curtains drawn. What a beautiful morning here in the USA. Every day, everything, everyone in their right has stayed. What a beautiful morning here in the USA. It seems like a dream, but to me it was yesterday. When men were men and women wives, it wasn't much, but it felt so safe in black and